Welcome back to my channel Casio G-Shock Features, and today I bring another G-Shock. The model number of the G-Shock is GA2000 SU2ADR. This is Army collection. Arrival of this watch is like October-November on 2020, and now as you can see this is new watch. Now check it out and unboxing the watch. As you can see, this is the new watch. It's written on the sticker, same model number, and this is your watch. Just check it out how it's look first. This is full blue color and made in Japan, case in Thailand. And this one here, good thing that you can remove this pin and you can change your belt. It's very easy to remove, not like before. It is very typical to remove the belt, but now company this give good thing. This is carbon core, and this is from inside also military, blue military, if you can see. Look wise also very nice. This is plastic but it's very hard, you don't have to worry. Here you can feel a design also. Let's come to the features, how to set the time. This one is standing for the light. You can see the light, LED light, white color. First come to how to set the time in this watch. You can see this is adjust button, you have to be hold it for few seconds. And after here country code is blink on the digital side. Here Tokyo now. And you can change the country code from this one or this one, reset and start button, any of the one. Just set the, like example I am setting any country, you can set it. Live example I am setting for Jeddah. Then press adjust button one time. It's moving to the Jeddah time, Jeddah Saudi Arabia time. See now, as you can see, this is come to the Jeddah time now. And here this one is wheel is moving. When it will be on the bar, it means you are on the time zone. Here WT, ST, TR, AL is written. It means AL means alarm, TR means timer, ST means stopwatch, and WT means world time. When I am changing the features by the mode, it will move and giving indicate that which function you are using. Just continue. Press one time mode. See now it's moving to the WT. And we are now in world time. Then change the country code from the start button. As you can see here, country code is mentioned and time also. See example like K for the Cairo, you have to be wait till 3 seconds. After few seconds you can see the time. See now 4:53 in Cairo time. Come to other feature, press mode one time. See now we are in stopwatch, is indicate here ST means stopwatch. Start from this button and stop and make it reset from reset button. Press again mode. Now you are in timer. Press adjust button. Whatever timer you want you can set it. See now 10 minutes from by company they keep time, but if you want like 9 minutes, then make adjust and you can start. See now your timer is start, and here 8 minutes and timer start. If you want to be stopped, just press it again start button and make it reset. Press again mode. We are now in alarm mode. Press adjust button and hold it for few seconds. Now we are in alarm 1. Now on sign is come here, and whatever hour you want you can set it from this 2 button. Then press mode for the minute. Whatever minute you want you can set it. After all finish, just press adjust button one time. Your alarm 12 midnight is finished. But if you want to be stopped, you no need the alarm, then you can stop also by the press reset button. Now your alarm gone, and this is your time zone. Now other feature in this watch, how to set a handset. Sometime if you are seeing this is 6 o'clock 5 o'clock or 55 minutes is showing in the time. See, now this is your date. I'm pressing one time this one, and now 5:55 p.m. is showing in the date. In the analog also and digital also. Both side you can see same time showing, but sometime is not coming same. In digital sometime is showing different time and analog showing different time. In that matter you have to be do, first you have to be set digitally time, whatever country code you have to be keep. Say I'm showing you adjust button, you have to be hold it for few seconds. Then you don't have to be set a country code. First you have to be set a country code, which country you want. After you have to be go manually inside, pressing mode and go inside. See, I'm showing you now it's blinking, and whatever hour you want you can set it from here. Then press minute, whatever minute you want. Then you can set a year, month, date, everything you can set. If you no need a sound key button sound, you can stop also from here. This is light, how many second you want light. Now 1 second and 3 seconds you can keep, but from company they keep 1 second. If you want to be set, you can set it from here in this button. And now we are in the time zone. After all finish, just press adjust button, your time will be set. I am showing you now digital time, but now I am showing you analog time, how to set a analog time. On that purpose you have to be do adjust button, you have to be hold it continuously till you can see H set. See, after H set come, press adjust button, mode button one time, it moving and showing that where you make mistake. If this watch not stop on 12 o'clock, it means your time is not set it perfectly. But this one is new watch, 100% it will be stop on the 12 o'clock. But sometime the analog and digital time not same, you have to be keep on 12. Always you have to be keep time in 12. See, now you can see the time 12 is showing. After, if sometime if your time is like is not possible, not necessary that I'm standing here, where sometime is stop on the 10, 11, 9, 7, anywhere it can stop, but you have to be keep on 12. You have to be keep on 12. Always you have to be keep on 12. Then press adjust button. Then your time will be set it perfectly. I hope you like my video. If you have any question regarding to the any G-Shock or Casio watch, you can ask me and comment me on the comment box. I will keep my WhatsApp number on the description. You can message me on my WhatsApp number. And please subscribe my channel and press a bell notification icon as you can see my latest video as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.